Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It is cash stuffing video time. So we are going to be doing my cash envelopes. We're going to be doing my bills, what I made this week, and stuffing my cash envelopes with my Dave Ramsey. Now, if you're new, make sure you go and subscribe down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Let me know if you have a channel. If you do budgeting, grocery hauls, Walmart hauls, anything and everything, I will go and support your channel. I promise. You can ask anybody that I have subscribed to. They know that I go and check y'all's channels out. I support y'all. I love to get to know you guys. But without further ado, we're not going to drag this along because it is going to be a long video. So for paycheck number 2, you guys, I had 15 hours of overtime because I got called in twice, and my income for this week was $1,530. Isn't that crazy? That's a huge jump from $1,157. Can we just subtract that? I'm sorry, I'm still shocked that I got that much overtime. So that's a $373 increase in my income because of overtime and everything. So that is awesome, you guys. All right, so we're going to go down our list for our rent. Paycheck number 2. So rent, I do not know the total amount for rent yet. That doesn't usually come out until the 23rd, and I am filming this when we get paid, which is the 20th. Today's the 19th, I think. No, we're getting paid on the 19th. I'm sorry. So I'm going to just put down $300, and then we will just adjust that or put it towards savings or something like that whenever I find out. All right, car payment will be $250 because it's originally $498. Insurance will be $74. It's usually $145. Phone will be $50. My brother could not lower the bill this month, so that is fine. So it was a total of $100. Student loans, if you have seen my last paycheck video, you know that my student loan minimum went down this month. I have no idea if it's going to be like that next month. So I ended up paying $58. Second one, so I think the total was $117 or something like that. Now, credit card, let me tell you, I scheduled my credit card to be taken out. I could have sworn I did, but apparently it was not taken out of my bank. So, that's a problem. So I'm just going to go ahead and pay the full amount. It was not reflected on my bank, so I'm not going to worry about it. But so I'm just going to pay the full amount, which is $78. Light bill this month is $126. Yeah, it's $126. That's a really high light bill. Only because I like my apartment super cold. I hate the heat. I cannot wait for fall and winter time. So we split it down into 2 because my boyfriend lives with me. So that is going to be $31. And then we have another paycheck before it ends. All right, gym, we're not putting anything in gym because I actually paused my account because I wasn't really going, and then I hurt my knee. So I really need to go see an orthopedic doctor, but kind of slacking on that, but I really do need to go do that. And I work at a hospital, so I could just ask one of the orthopedic doctors there. But we will see, and I will give you an update on that. But it is paused until November. All right, MediaCom. Jared pays for it, and I just pay him back, which is $35, so $17 a piece. All right, so we are going to do the total, you guys. All right, so 300 plus 250 plus 74 plus 50 plus 58 plus 78 plus 31 plus 17 will equals to $858, you guys. So that is how much that we are going to be paying in bills. So we're going to subtract the $858 to $1,530 just to see how much we're going to be working with for my cash envelopes and for my sinking funds. So $1,530 minus $558 is going to equals to $672. So we are actually just going to put it, we'll put it down here. So we'll say leftovers equals $672. All right, so that is how much we have to work with. That has to include our sinking funds and our cash envelopes, okay? All right, so for week number 3 that's coming up, groceries, we are going to put $100. Gas, we are going to put $60 as usual. Let me zoom in with you guys for a minute. Out to eat, we are going, his brother's going to be coming into town next week, and I'm going to use the majority of vacation money for that because it's kind of like a vacation because we're off like 4 or 5 days. But I'm just going to put $10 in there. Fun money, we're going to do $80 this week because I have to go and purchase the giveaway, and that's going to be super exciting, so stay tuned for that. And then cushion, which is my debit card, will get $100. And then sinking funds, we will figure that out whenever we do the sinking funds. All right, you guys, so we're going to add all that together. So 100 plus 60 plus 10 plus 80 plus 100 equals $350. So we're going to subtract that from $642 that we got from our leftover money. So 672 minus 350 will equals to $322 is how much we have to work with, you guys, for our sinking funds. So we are going to do our bank stuff now. Let me flip it back over so y'all can see how much money I'm going to get. All right, so for groceries, it's going to be $100, so we're going to do 2 50s. Gas is $60, so we're going to do 1, 2, and 3 20s. Out to eat will be $10. Fun money will be 20s again, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8. And then cushion will be my $100 in my debit card. All right, so let's tally this up to make sure that it equals to $350. So that's 50 plus 50 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus 240 plus 1 plus $10, which equals to $250. So that is 2 50s and 5, 6, 7 20s. All right, you guys, so that is what I'm going to get at the bank. And we are going to run to the bank, and then we will get to stuffing you guys. So I will see you guys in a few. All right, you guys, so I am back from the bank, and I kind of did it a little bit different. I know we went to the bank, and then before I did that, I wrote all this down. But I decided that I wanted a little bit more bigger bills because I wanted to get more change, if that makes sense. I want to get more change to fill up my coin jar because I really want to save for Christmas or a debt snowball payment or anything like that. So I decided to change it up a little bit, and I will tell you guys when we get through it. All right, so first we are going to be doing the grocery, and I'm using my Dave Ramsey Financial Peace University cash envelopes. I got this for free because I am a member, like I have said multiple times on this video, but link will be down below if you want to join the Dave Ramsey family. Absolutely love it. I love joining. I love getting to know people on there and love hearing their stories. So we are going to do that. All right, so for groceries, it is going to be $100. And let's see. think we have some money, which we do. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And I know those ones are like messing y'all up. All right, so we're going to do $100. That's $100. All right, and then gas is $60. We have $20. $2.40 and $60. All right, out to eat will be $10. Let me fix this before I get some comments about people being OCD about that, because I get OCD about it too, so don't you worry. Ooh, out to eat. Why do I always write out to eat first before fun money? And that doesn't have anything, so. And then fun money will be $80, so that's 50, 60, 70, and 80. This is what I did different for the bank. Instead of getting 20s, I got a 50, a 20, and a 10. And that's going to go into fun money. Oh, and we have some money, you guys. $7. Alright, you guys, so there you have it. That is everything for our cash envelopes this week. Now let's see how much we have saved. $20, $25, $30, $35, $40, $45, $50, $51, $52, $53, $54, $55, $56, $57, $58, and $59. $59, you guys. So that's actually really good. Super proud of myself for not spending a lot of money. So we're going to add $59 to this side hustle right here. And like I said, we'll have $322 left over to use for sinking funds, but we're going to add that $59 to it, so $322 plus $59, so we will have $381 to work with, you guys, for our sinking funds, which is going to be really, really fun. So that is it, you guys. That is my cash envelopes for this week. This is a two-week paycheck. So, and if you are just now watching me, if you have skipped through the videos, which is fine, I earned $15.30 this week because of a lot of overtime because of call. So I will see you guys later, and make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you do not miss my stuffing my cash envelopes, or my sinking funds, I mean, because I absolutely love them. They are my favorite videos to film because I love watching my money grow into those envelopes. All right, so I will see you guys later, and have a blessed weekend. I'll see you guys later. Bye.